Make cords a thing of the past, because now is the perfect opportunity to automate your home's window treatments with 3-day blinds. One call is all it takes to book your free in-home consultation and see the wide range of motorized blinds, shades, and draperies that 3-day Blinds has to offer. Call us right now for your free in-home consultation with one of our friendly, knowledgeable design consultants. 3-day Blinds takes care of design, measurements, and installation while you relax and enjoy your new motorized treatments. Call 3-day Blinds now. We have more than 40 years of experience and we're with you every step of the way. Don't wait. Call 3-day Blinds now to motorize your window treatments.